Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss the various physico and chemical properties of elements. Electronegativity, ionization energy, electron affinity or negative electron gain enthalpy. These are the three most important physico-chemical property of elements that comes in the periodic table. So let us start with electronegativity. Let us take two atoms, A and B. One is metallic and the other one is non-metallic. ऐसे अपन सोचते हैं या दोनों एटम्स जब डिफरेंट होगा there will be a size difference, there will be a difference in their metallic and non-metallic character. मान लो B is more non-metallic. The shared pair of electrons, it's a covalent bond. The shared pair of electron cloud B की तरफ शिफ्ट होगा, so B will become partially negative and A will become partially positive. So the tendency of B or an atom of an element to pull towards it the shared pair of electron clouds is called electronegativity. मतलब more non-metallic element जो है वो अपने तरफ इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड को खींचने की प्रयास करेंगे. That tendency to pull towards it the shared pair of electron cloud is called electronegativity. How to calculate the electronegativity? There are so many scales, Mulliken scale, Pauline's electronegativity scale. I will just give you the values of some elements on the basis of Pauline's electronegativity values. ये वैल्यू थोड़ा याद रखें, बाय हार्ट करें. So it will help you to solve many questions of chemical bonding rules. Hydrogen is given an electronegativity of 2.1. Lithium say 1. Potassium 0.9 like this. Beryllium 1.5. Boron 2. Carbon 2.5. Nitrogen 3. Oxygen 3.5. Fluorine 4. Chlorine 3. Bromine 2.8 like this. इतने एलिमेंट्स के वैल्यू कम से कम याद करिए. The most electronegative element इस वैल्यू के हिसाब से it is 4, that is of fluorine. और सेकेंड हाईएस्ट किसका है? ऑक्सीजन का है. So when we move from left to right in the period, the value of electronegativity क्या होगा? It increases. और down the group देखिए, the value decreases. Ionization energy हो, electron gain enthalpy हो या electronegativity, the values generally increases. Generally I use the term. It increases from left to right. And down the group क्या होगा? It decreases. अब Mulliken scale करके भी एक है. Mulliken scale में the electronegativity is taken as the average of ionization energy plus electron affinity. Right. मान लो X is the electronegativity of an atom. In Pauling scale और ये Mulliken scale है मान लीजिए, ये electronegativity in Mulliken scale, ये 2.8 से डिवाइड कर ले, then electronegativity in the Pauling scale. अब how to calculate this electronegativity? How the Pauling scale has given this value? उसके लिए भी आपको एक तरीका बताऊंगा. Say XA minus XB. This is the electronegativity difference between A and B. That is equal to 0.208 into under root delta. Now what is delta? It is the bond energy of A and B, means the energy needed to break the bond between A and B minus the bond energy of A into A. Yeah, bond between B and B. The bond energy of A and A into bond energy of B and B, like this. And this difference you put it here, that will give the bond electronegativity difference between the two atoms A and B. I hope you are getting it. By studying this electronegativity, what advantage we have? A bond like hydrogen and hydrogen, yeah, chlorine and chlorine, yeah, carbon and carbon. The electronegativity difference is 0. So it is a purely covalent compound. It's a purely covalent bond. But if a slight electronegativity difference is there, that bond will be having slight, little, partial ionic character will be there. Even though the bonding is covalent, when electronegativity difference comes, the bond will be having some ionic character. Now, how much ionic character it will be having? We can use this formula. Percentage of ionic character is equal to 115x plus 3.5x squared, where x is the electronegativity difference between the two atoms A and B. डायरेक्टली ये फॉर्मूला याद रखिए. मान लो मैंने लिया HF, फ्लोरीन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी कितना होता है 4, हाइड्रोजन कितना होता है 1, सो देयर डिफरेंस इज 1.9. तो ये 1.9 इधर पुट करिए x में, so that we can calculate how much electronegativity difference, so how much partial ionic character will be in this compound, in this bond. To calculate this. Our दूसरा point, higher the electronegativity difference, the bond will be essentially ionic. Some ionic character comes. So the properties like hydrogen bonding, the dipole-dipole attraction between the polar compounds, or how alcohol, HF, these are soluble in water. Why sugars are soluble in water? Why carbohydrates are soluble in water? Why proteins are soluble in water? All this depends on the hydrogen bonding, and that hydrogen bonding arises due to the electronegativity difference between the two bonded atoms. Higher the electronegativity of an element, it will be most reactive non-metal. lesser the electronegativity of an element, it will be essentially a positive metal. It will be most reactive metal की तरफ जाएंगे. So this is all about electronegativity in short. Thank you.